prompt you how to make up your pocket page. So you've got your dimensions, you have a landscape layout. It's got 1/2 an inch one side, 1/2 an inch one side. So burnish those. That's that one. That's that one. And then you're going to take this one, butt it up and put it in there like that. And then you're going to do this one. Line it up. And that is your pocket page. So then what you would do is do page 1, arrow, turn it over. Page 2, arrow, continue. But you need to put a Flexi-Hinge in here because otherwise your page won't lie flat in your album. So this is a die that we use, it's called our Clever Strip, but you can do it yourself with 1/2 inch score marks. This just gives you the precision. So fold that there. Give that one a good burnish. That one is a fold that one that way. In the middle out. And then exactly the same for this side. Yep. So you end up with something like that, and then you're going to stick that bit together. And for your pages and your spines and stuff, I would use glue. Okay, so that's your Flexi-Hinge. And then just above the score line, you can trim a corner. Let's just do that one a little bit more. And then your Flexi-Hinge is going to fit into your page like that, and that will be your hinge that you stick onto your spine. So we're just going to stick that one in. And that's your page made up there. If you want to make your spine up, you can do that with, you're having 1/4 inch between your, no, I'm having 3/8 inch. So you need an 1/8 inch scoreboard. You've got your black card already cut, and then this is a really useful tool that will help you. And you can find it. It is our spine score guide. So instead of having to count or look at the top of your scoreboard, pop your mylar in, and then you want the side that says 3/8 inch, which is this one, and you're going to do 4 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of tape so I don't carry on scoring when I don't need to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And each rectangle shows them, I'm zooming, each rectangle shows 1 hinge spine. So we'll go back out again. Pop that on there. Pop that there. Butt that up to your mylar strip. That's butted up there. And then you're just going to follow the school lines. Simple as that. No counting. No worrying about anything else. Okay, that's my spine school. How quick and easy was that? And then I'm going to make the spine up. So, put that one there. Make sure you keep your sides nice and straight. So valley. So the next one will be a mountain. Keep your sides straight. Valley. Valley. Because this is your 3/8 of an inch gusset that you're making. What are you giggling at, Kay? Kay's giggling away in the corner at something. I guess she's listening to the radio, probably. Next gusset. That's a mountain. Okay, and then that is the last one there. So what you end up with is something like that. You need to burnish it so it's really, really nice and flat. And then you're going to put glue in here, in the mountain fold, and that is going to create one spine hinge. So we'll do it like that. So that's your spine hinge, like that. And when you've stuck them all together, you will have a beautiful crisp spine, like that. And then when you've made your pocket pages up and you've decorated them, the Flexi-Hinge, you have one side that sticks there and the other side that sticks there.